The iPhone 17 is official here. It's flooding social media. The reviews are coming out and everyone is asking the same questions. Is really worth spending your money on it? First, the new 117 3000 nit screen in inside beside comparison outdoors. The difference is obvious. If you're someone who use their phone upside a lot, this seems to be a genuine quality of light province that makes the screen much more visible in direct sunlight. Second, the overall design. Apple has brought back a more rounded aluminum frame on the Pro models, which according to many feels more comfortable in the hand than the titanium from the last few years. But these come with a major disadvantage, and that is the material durability. Over the last few days, videos and images have spread of the iPhones less than a week or they are already scream from the simple act of being carried in pocket. It's a small detail, but one that affects how the phone feels every day. Okay, let's talk cameras. The iPhone 70 comes with two lenses, a 48 megapixels main and 12 megapixels ultra wide, enough for everyday photos. The iPhone 70 Pro steps it up with three lenses, a 48 megapixels main and ultra wide, and a new 48 megapixel telephotos with improved optical zoom, ideal for those who want more versatile. And the iPhone 70 Pro Max takes the same three 48 megapixel cameras, but pushes the telephoto even further with a much more powerful zoom, perfect for concert or sports. Additionally, all three models debut a new 24 megapixels front camera, so your selfies and videos can look better too. All three models come with the new A19 chip, which are faster and more efficient. The battery life is improved enough to last a full day without any problems. So, what about the battery? We've seen several battery performance tests on tech channels on YouTube, and the results are clear. The iPhone 70 Pro Max is an absolute reader, easy listening and day of heavy use and into next. The same goes for the 70 Pro. It's a very good battery life. The standard iPhone 70 seems to be a really all-day phone, very similar to last year's performance, and the fast charging gets you out 15% in about 20 minutes. The iPhone 70 models start with 256 GB as the base, and the maximum storage is 2 TB, costing a fortune. iPhone price. The iPhone 70 starts at $799. The iPhone 70 Pro at $1,099, and the iPhone 70 Pro Max goes up to $1,199. The verdict. Who should upgrade? Alright, this is the most important part. Let's break down the recommendation based on all the information. If you have an iPhone 14 Pro or older, the answer is yes. The combination of the brighter anti-glare screen, the powerful new zoom camera, and the lab in the performance while making it feel like a complete new experience, it's a no-brainer. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro, this is a tower call. You have to ask yourself, how much do you value a better zoom on your photos and the less reclined screen? If those two things are actually for you, you have a fantastic phone that you can probably keep you another year. If you have an iPhone 16, the consensus is clear, skip this year. These improvements are incremental and you should save your money. And that brings you to the end in this analysis. To sum it all up, the iPhone 70 Pro and Pro Max are quite about incredible powerful device with truly notices improvements, especially with that zoom camera and the screen for outdoor use. However, the price increase and the early question about the new aluminum frame durability are serious factors we can't ignore. But now for the most important part, I want to hear from you. What do you like the most? Or what disappoints you the most about the new iPhone 17? And of course, the $1 million questions. Are you playing on buying it? Let me know everything in the comments section down below. I love reading what you guys think. If this video helped you clear things up, it really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, straightforward Dutch analysis. Thanks so much watching, and I'll see you the next one.